Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Archbishop Niam Bombay Oswald Cardinal Gracias Ulami Shakhamat Bankuntu Yabaro Bakimde Banle Ekano no Kakam Kabala Banang Wanra Jingïakynad Manipur Bat Banno Sinyang Shakajing Wanra Biang Ekajing Sok Hagane Gajala Haga Kubor Bawlakran Nakasngi Hapdeng Cardinal Ulaongru Jingïakynad Manipur Kamde Satya Jingïakynad Namar Niam Hynrei Jingïakynad Hapdeng Artali Jaitbynriew Ulapentip Bawladan Jingïakynad Bodu Archbishop Niam Imphal Bat Kumjoru Bat Kinong Yalam Catholic Bishops Conference of India Mania Pali Jungmut Kumnu Balang Catholic Kala Banno Sinyang Nagbanta Banwanra Yakajing Sok Manipur Hagju Kapor Ulakentu Jur Yabaro Bakimde Satya Banle Yakano Kakam Kabala Banang Wanra Jingïakynad Bat Kajing Sneu Manipur.
Many people, I am addressing you with a little pain and grief. Manipur is in the news, but for unhappy reasons. There has been violence over there, lives have been lost, property has been damaged, and we are very, very upset about these episodes which have happened, which have been highlighted in the press, but we hang our head in shame that this could have happened in our country, India, and something which will never happen ever. This should not be allowed to happen. The government has moved and there have been some arrests, but this should have never happened. That's all I can say. Our hearts go out to those who have lost people, and we pray for them. I'm addressing you because we want to make it clear. Now, I was waiting, we've had the president of the CBCI, with whom I'm in continuous contact, Archbishop Andrew Tarat, and the Archbishop of the place of Imphal, Archbishop Dominic Lumon. We've been reviewing the situation and seeing how things are, how we can help. This is a tribal conflict. Two tribes, historically very hostile to each other, and it exploded into violence because of certain legislation which was passed. It is given a religious twist, but it is not a religious conflict between two religions, it's between two tribes. And we must now not do anything that will worsen the situation. Efforts at building harmony, peace should continue. And last night, this morning, I spoke to again the CBCI president, and the plans of how to restore and the church can make a contribution for peace building. Churches have been destroyed, but temples also have been destroyed. Many more churches than temples, I know, and we must help them to rebuild. I'm asking that, I've asked my finance office to coordinate all the material relief efforts, and to find an appropriate day, we decided that 12th and 13th of August we'll have a special collection and send the money to Archbishop over there. But I invite convents, institutions, associations, cells, zones, Catholic Sabha, all of you who want to help out the church, make your collection, contribution, send it directly or contact my office, finance office, which will coordinate the relief efforts. I'll keep you informed how things are going on. But I want you to pray that the situation ease. This is the need of the hour for Manipur, and also this is the need of the hour for our country, to be able to live in harmony and understanding. Keep this prayer in your intention. I know you pray at home. More can be wrought by prayer than the world dreams of. Pray sincerely, intensely, and I really invite you to be generous. The diocese also be generous with Imphal when we make this collection over there, but even before, please send it on. I thank you, and let us be in solidarity with the people over there who are suffering. And the Archbishop has thanked me more than once for our support, our emotional support, and I'm conveying this to you. Thank you, people of Bombay. Keep praying for Manipur. God bless you.